Tonight here at the foot of the North Island, the city will host the 110th clash. They got a penalty immediately. So the Springboks through Wellington take it up. Now the little jab through by Zuma. He's lost it. Who was that? Oh, gee, statement for the Springboks. You'll have to from Arnie Samia. What a good tackle on him. Big scrum. All Blacks going backwards. Right.
The All Blacks couldn't get their line out right. Marty LeBock's part of the context of the game.
There the 22, run down by Williams. Now Hooker. Oh, the big man, straight up the middle he goes. Ethan Hooker. What a run that is. All Blacks look to turn it over, can't do it. Rhino. Now Calypso, now he releases. Arnie Savia over the top, can't get it. Reinhardt again. Now Lisa. Reinhardt again. Moody. Esterhazen. National rugby from the Springboks.
Oh, right. You call it this one. Oh, boy. It's so impressive. It really is. Bleeding, bloody, tough, skillful. It is.
Into the last 2 seconds of the game. The Springboks don't think the playing performance. A record-breaking 43 points.